I've got a smelly d. I don't know why I'm telling the world that.
It's nothing they don't know.
Hey, I'm Grump. I'm not so Grump. And we're the Game Grumps. I am Bowser.
Ah! Lord Bowser.
Just kind of 1 foot in the grave already.
I just now terribly sorry to keep you waiting, my lord.
I bet you are, Cammy Koopa. Now, out with it. Why have you called me here?
She does that kind of thing where she like coughs for way too long. It makes everyone uncomfortable.
Oh yeah. Here, read your line and
Yeah.
I'll do it like.
Am I Mario's babysitter? I don't care what he's doing. Are you going to call me every time that guy blows his nose or what? Sheesh.
Yes, well, you see. My lord, apparently Mario is hunting for an amazing treasure.
Treasure?
Yes, Mario has gone in search of a star-shaped jewel known as... the crystal stars. I'm researching just what they are, but there's no question of their height.
The crystal stars, you say? They sound like good world-conquering tools. I want them. Yes, very good. Continue researching this for me, you brainy hag, you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Leave it to me. By the way, Lord Bowser, do you like fried eggs? What?
You bet I do. I will not stand for this. I'm going to Rogueport now. I've got to kidnap her back.
That's very romantic.
Don't step on me, please.
Wait.
I love my little airship. My little happy clown face. Whoa!
Hi. Wow. But your grunginess. Wait up.
Guys, they're just like, so are we gonna repair that, or?
Okay. Please, God, let me play this game again. It's been fucking days.